Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, in this problem, we're comparing an approximation for the period of a spring to the first three terms of the real period of a spring. So the approximation by 2 pi times the square root of the length of the spring divided by gravity. In our case, this is 2.84 seconds. And then for part B, we take the first three terms of equation 1435. This is 2 pi L over G, 1 plus 1/4 sine squared theta over 2 plus 1/4 times 9 sixteenths sine to the fourth of theta over 2. So if we plug in 30 degrees for theta, 2 meters for L, 9.8 for G, we end up with a period of 2.889 seconds. Now, of course, the second answer here is going to be the more correct answer because it uses more terms in this full expansion, where A only uses the first term, this 1. So to find the percent error, we always do, which is to take the calculated number, 2.84, minus the actual number, divided by the actual number. And we get a percent error of negative 1.696%.